Ah, yeah,
We are done. With time we shall get the perfect flour, okay? But right now, as we are starting, we shall get the cracky. You see, it is now coming up. The good flour is coming up. There is a difference from this. This is what we started with, but this one is the soft white millet flour. We are done, not even almost, we are done with grinding. So right now, I'm going to put water. I'm going to boil water, I'm going to boil water and see what next, okay? Yeah, see you there. I've got a saucepan, I'll put it on this African, I don't know the name, but we make it, this one, we make it place saucepan so that we shouldn't put them down and they get spoiled down. So I'm going to put in our water and put it on the fire. So I wait for it to boil as I'm mixing the flour with the drinking boiled water already, which is cold. As we wait for this water to boil and pour it in, then later we shall pour in the other flour which makes it sweet. I think we did it last time on Eating the African channel. Guys, go and check. So right now, as we are waiting for our water to boil, we shall have a clean bucket, a mingling stick, our flour, but the other day it's much, but we just picked a little because we have a small bucket, plus the drinking water, boiled water, and we mix this, the mixture we are going to make. It's where we shall pour the water we are boiling, the hot one, into this mixture to make Enturire bushera. This is the mixture of flour and cold boiled water, okay? We won't make it too watery, it will be 50-50, not watery, not too conk. Yeah. So this is our finished mixture. We are now waiting for our water to boil and pour in here. So we are going to pour our boiling water in here. Oh, Boris, be careful because it can burn. So now you see our porridge is cooked. And I hear when we are in school they said that we eat porridge, we don't drink porridge. So but this one is drinking because it will be somehow watery. The Enturire is always watery. It will be more watery like this. This one we have to make it conk, not too watery, because when we pour the other sweet thing of ours, the other sweet flour of ours, when we pour it here, we shall get the what? It will be watery. We shall keep this product for 3 days. Okay? We shall keep this product for 3 days. Then after that, Enturire normally, after 3 days, it's somehow sour or wanting to be sour. So we shall add in some honey, but conch honey, the honey which is not sieved at all. The honey which is not sieved at all. So yeah, I think those are the next steps we shall do later. Right now we shall put later when it is not too hot, not too cold, like warm, it's when we shall put the sweet flour, the sweet flour. Then we keep it for 3 days. Then after 3 days, because it is Enturire, we shall add in some honey, but honey which is not sieved. Okay, I'll be showing you the honey that we shall add in here when that time comes. After adding in our boiled water in our porridge, now we can call it porridge. It's no longer a mixture. We let it cool for only 30 minutes. We let it cool for only 30 minutes. Then we add in our sweet flour. In Uganda, it is called the chimera. In our language, in Ankole, it is amamia. Amamia, yes. So we are going to add in the sweetener. And we mix and mix until this other flour, the sweet flour, is dissolved. I wish you were near here, you would have heard the sweet scent that is coming out. The scent is different. It is very cunning. It is very cunning. So after adding our sweetener, we shall keep it for only 3 days. After 3 days, meet me there as we take our Enturire. On that 3rd day, it's when we shall add in honey. But this type of honey, it isn't like watery or the sieved one. No, it is honey with combined honey and everything, like combined bees, like with everything. I will show you that type of honey that day, on a 3rd day. So after adding in that honey, that I will show you on the 3rd day, we shall be ready with our Enturire or ready to be taken. Okay, guys, see you on the 3rd day. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Please subscribe to Eating the African Way, Nicholas. And guys, don't forget to check on my channel, Joan or Badia. So see you on the 3rd day. Bye bye.
After 3 days, we are back. As he told you, this process needs 3 days. So we are back. We don't want to do videos just for jolly, just for entertainment. We want each and every person who is watching to learn something from this video. And if you follow the steps, when you want to try them at your place, you're going to get the same result. The same result. So we are not doing videos just to upload or what. We want everyone to learn or pick out something from this video. So learn a bit of the culture as you have heard in this video. Yeah, so my part is I want to test the drink. So let me go back behind the camera and recap the last part of this video. So keep watching up. And if this is your first time, please consider subscribing to this channel. Be part of this family, like the video, and also invite more people to come in. Please keep the engagement coming in. Leave the comment. Tell us what you want to see next on Eating the African Way. Yes.
So, as you can see, we are on our last step. We just get this mingling stick and stir. You can see this porridge, we've kept it for 3 days. But remember, our bucket was full, but because it is already sweet, so most people come take a little bit, come and take it and take a little bit. So we are left with this one on our 3rd day. So on our last step, we shall have our honey. This honey is not sieved, is not cooked, is not done anything. Why? It's the one which will help us on our Enturire thing. Our result is the one which is going to give us our result. And why I put it in this polythene bag, it's because sometimes bees come and disturb us. Because here we have bees. We are doing apiary. So whenever they get the honey and you leave something there, the bees can just come from nowhere, like more than a lot of bees. So I just kept it here for safety. I just went, I told our guy to get us some little honey, which I will use here. Okay, it wasn't little, it was like around 4 kg, but me, I wanted to pick like half for our 8 liters. Now it is not even yet, it is not still 8 liters. So we are going to put in our honey and mix. Then time for sipping is coming. Guys, I feel like licking. Oh, honey is so sweet, and the way it is smelling, oh my God. It smells so fine, so sexy. I don't know if it is the right word. So we shall open up and we can easily press in, okay? In instead of using. And why we are putting in honey, you know, Enturire can mean to be somehow sour. So for us, ours, we want it to be sweet, and we take it from there and then. But still, if you again keep it, it will be more than this. It will be more alcoholic, okay? So this was meant for 8 liters, this half of it. But now people kept taking on it, on this bushera, because it is so sweet. So we are going to use just quarter, then we keep the half. Then another thing, you forgive us of these house flies. They are not bad. It's because of we have a lot of cows around, so they come as a result of cow dung. For us in our culture, it is normal. Cow dung is normal. You can see what I was telling you, the bees. The bees are also attacking me right now. So I'm going to cover it so quick. You see? They've come. Mama. I have to keep this away so that I can avoid these bees. I think you can see them around. So right now, we are mixing it so that we get the real mixture of Enturire drink. I'm going to transfer some from this bucket to our jar so that we can taste, okay? So that we can taste and see whether the Enturire we really wanted. We are going to transfer our drink, which is Enturire, from this bucket to the jug here, and I'm going to use the cup to pour in the jug so that we can have a taste, okay?
Some of you enjoy eating or drinking any kind of food, but you don't know the process they go through, or the culture side of it, or the story behind. So eating the African roots is what we do best. We don't only eat, but we share stories, culture. Finally, you know, my favorite part is always eating, tasting. Hope I don't get drunk this time. As she told you, if you come to marry from Western Uganda, they're going to give you this drink. It is a part of their culture. They give you this drink. It makes you tipsy, all kind of drunk, not so drunk. So that because they want you to feel comfortable, they want you to be brave when you're talking to them. They don't want to see you shying away. So they give you this to make you brave, so that you can be free and open. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it's like alcohol. Like you feel somehow, okay? In the head. Even when drinking it, it's like alcohol. Like 2 days ago, whenever I would taste on this bushera, it would be sweet, not too. Is it sour? Can I use the word sour? But now.
So my first time tasting this, I was working on the function. Then I saw bees and all that, lots of stuff, and I was asking, why do these guys drink such dirty juices? And they said, no, that is part of the culture, and that's how they prepare it. So I was tempted to do a video and share it with you. We almost missed out this. This is when you go to get your wife from this side, they give you this full of Enturire. So this is supposed to go into this. So it's supposed to be in this, and most of the time you don't need to know what is inside. You just need to drink and to enjoy as you're smiling. You give them back that smile to people who have served you. So each part of this world, they have their own stories. They share. So here we decided to share these stories through food and as we eat. So thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. This video has ended here, so keep watching, and today we're going to make more videos. Today we have almost 2 videos we're supposed to do today if time allows us. So catch up later. Before we catch up later, she's called Joan Obadia. She has introduced herself in the videos. Please follow her channel. When did you last upload? She's just laughing, but please go check out Joan Obadia. I'm going to leave her link in the description box. Also, I'll write her channel on the screen so that you can see it. Show her some love. Bye-bye. Yeah.